Red elk drops a rock from a cliff that hits the water with a downward velocity of 25 meters per second. So our downward velocity, so here's red elk on top of the cliff. Let's draw a picture. Gotta draw a picture, red elk. All right, drops a rock down, hits the water, right? So there's this rock. And it's going, when it hits the water, it's going down at 25 meters per second. So the final velocity is negative 25.0, right? Why did I make it negative? Because it's going down, right? Okay. Drops a rock. Okay, drops, I feel like drops means the initial velocity is 0, okay? That's what that means, right? So this guy's 0. And then our acceleration, we know that, right? Negative 9.8. Okay, so how high is the cliff? So we'll use no t to find the height. Let's do that first. So Vf squared is Vi squared. Let's plug the numbers in. So negative 25, the quantity squared, is 0 squared plus 2 times negative 9.8 times x. All right, let's math this. Negative 25 squared is 625. Now, if your calculator tells you that it's negative 625, politely ignore it. The square of a negative is a positive number, right? That equals, and then 0 squared is 0, right? 2 times negative 9.8 times x. And then my next step is I'm going to divide this by 2 divided by negative 9.8. So divided by 2 divided by negative 9.8. And I get that x equals negative 31.8877. Ooh, this is a cool number. 5. Does it just keep going? Walla walla. Okay, kinnick. All right, wait, sorry. Okay, so there's our how high is the cliff, right? Well, the displacement from the top to the bottom is negative 31.9 meters roughly, right? Okay, so how high? We wouldn't say that the cliff is negative 31.9 meters tall. We would say that it's just 31.9. So that's sort of like an absolute value kind of a thing, right? Don't worry about that too much. If you tell me that the cliff is a negative height, I'll just say something sarcastic, okay? Okay, so let's find the time it takes to fall. I think I'll use no x for that. So Vf is Vi plus At, and the final velocity is negative 25. 0 plus negative 9.8 times t, and now I think I'm set, right? So negative 25 divided by negative 9.8 is 2.551. Ta-da! T is equal to 2.551 seconds. We've got it, man. That's meters. Yarbly.